However, for the T's, we're going to begin at the cellular level, which is the fundamental unit of life. This is the universal truth, regardless if you're a bacterium, a fungus, protist, plant, or animal, all living things are going to be cellular in nature. When these numerous cells collaborate to perform unified functions, they form what is known as tissues, marking the subsequent level of biological organization. Cardiac muscle tissue, for example, consists of cardiac muscle cells working in concert together to make our heart beat. These tissues can then combine to compose organs, representing that third tier of our hierarchy of biological structures. Your body is composed of numerous organs, such as your heart, your lungs, and your kidneys. When these organs collaborate inside of our body, they are going to form what we call an organ system. Let's take the digestive system for example. It encompasses various organs, including our stomach, our small intestine, large intestine, and liver. They all work together in harmony to aid the digestion of food and the conversion of that food into energy necessary for cellular processes. The digestive system is merely one instance of an organ system. When you interconnect all of these organ systems together, what emerges?